Why can the same mechanical connector tube connect both 185 square millimeter conductors and 400 square millimeter conductors? The key isn't simply that both can be inserted. The first step in selecting a connector is to confirm the conductor type and nominal cross-sectional area. The second step is to confirm the applicable range specified for this mechanical connector tube model. According to the installation requirements of this model, when the conductor is 185 to 240 square millimeters, the internal gasket needs to be retained. Retaining the gasket creates effective installation space suitable for smaller cross-section conductors. When the conductor becomes 300 to 400 square millimeters, the corresponding gasket needs to be removed, according to the installation instructions, to free up sufficient installation space for the larger conductor. This is the real point to understand about multi-section compatibility. The same model covering different conductors isn't simply a matter of tightening the bolts a little more or less. It's about first matching the conductor cross-section through the correct gasket configuration. Only after confirming the conductor specifications, gasket condition, and insertion position can the bolt tightening step proceed. Use the specified sleeve, ensure complete engagement, and tighten in the specified sequence. Once the design tightening conditions are met, the shearing head will cut at the preset position, providing a clear installation completion signal. Therefore, one model can cover a specified range, but different cross-sections may correspond to different gasket configurations. Correct matching is not simply about whether it can be inserted, but about completing each step according to the product model, conductor cross-section, and product installation instruction.